ертөнцийн ерөнхий зөв бүгдээрээ Италиас Монгол улс суух онцгой бүрэн эзэмшсэн эрхэмсэх хаттай Лаура Болта эрхэмсэгч хүчийг хангахаар хүрэлцэн ирснийг танд айлтгая.
Excellency, I thank you for receiving me today. The President of the Italian Republic, Mr. Sergio Mattarella, signed these letters for you. My Minister of Foreign Affairs asked me to assure you and your country of full collaboration and the friendship of Italy. I am sure that our bilateral relations will be a success. I add my personal wishes to you and the Mongolian people.
Thank you.